In this video, I am going to show you how to change your profile picture on WordPress. A straightforward way to add a profile picture in WordPress is with an avatar, an image representing you across your website. Users can get a better understanding of you as a person by viewing your avatar on your website. You need to use a free plugin. This method is very easy as you don't have to visit Gravatar. There are many plugins that can handle this task, but we recommend using the two plugins listed below. The first one is WP User Avatar. To install, visit Plugins, Add New, and search for WP User Avatar. Once you have installed and activated the Profile Press plugin, go to Profile Press, Settings, in your WordPress admin area as shown in the video. On the next screen, click on Profile and Cover Photo. Here, you can have multiple options available, one of which is to disable Gravatar if you wish to disable it from your WordPress blog. Simply select that option. On the same Profile Press and then Settings page, you should see the Default Profile Picture option. Here, you can select any default picture or upload your own custom profile picture. Once you have uploaded your profile picture, it will be visible on your WordPress blog, as you can see from the image above. I was able to successfully change my profile picture without using Gravatar. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.